Hey everyone, do you just stare at candles and jump into trades right away, only to get stuck in pullbacks, flats, and lose money again? Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Alligator Indicator to filter out weak moves and only enter when a real trend has actually started. Let's break it down step by step. The Alligator Indicator is made up of 3 lines: blue, red, and green. Yep, they're just moving averages with different settings. What matters isn't just the lines. It's how they're positioned relative to each other. When the lines are tangled up and come close together, it's either a trend reversal or a flat. But when the lines start spreading apart, that's the signal of the beginning of the trend movement. The wider the gap between the lines, the stronger the trend impulse. Now let me show you how to actually use it in real trading. Step 1, identify the global direction. Sure, you can trade straight off the 1-minute chart, but without knowing the bigger picture, you'll just take random trades. So first I open the 5-minute chart to see the broader trend. Step 2, read the alligator. If the indicator lines are spreading apart and sitting above the price, it's a downtrend. Pointing up, it's an uptrend. If they keep crisscrossing, it's a flat. And trust me, don't rely on the alligator during flat markets. Price can fake you out constantly. Step 3, I drop to the 1-minute chart and look for entries in the direction of a global trend. Now, I'll remind you of the same rule I've always told you about. Indicators draw together with price. They don't predict entry points. That's why I mark support and resistance levels first. Build horizontal lines where price reversed or stalled in the past. Then draw your trend line. Connect key swing highs or lows, the extremes where price kept bouncing. Step 4. Check how price behaves around those levels. Is it moving with the trend? Is it stalling or pulling back? Once you understand the structure, then you glance at the alligator. If price is above the alligator, the lines are wide apart, the uptrend is strong. Step 5. If you're trading breakouts like I do, the most important is volatility. Always check it. Price should react to the strong level with small candles. There, we wait for volatility to go up. Once it spikes, boom, a big candle breaks a level. That's your entry. Pro tip, never rely on alligator alone. Combine it with other indicators like RSI or ADX for better confirmation. I personally like combining it with RSI, and I'll show you how in the end of the video. I want to start trading, but I'm scared I'll lose money because I'm a total beginner and don't know what I'm doing. I hear this every day. So just reminding you, you can copy my trades for free right now. Just hop on a demo, test it, and see for yourself if it works or not. I trade on Pocket Option, and since I have a partnership with them, you can copy my trades for free as long as you're on Pocket. Instead of paying $150, I'll get a commission from the platform. And no, this won't make you rich overnight, but it gets you started. You'll see how it works, make your first profit, and then decide if you want to go deeper. I see new success stories in my DMs every day, so don't tell me it can't be done. Today it's easier than ever, and you've got the perfect chance to take that first step. But first, let's see if you've been paying attention. Quick test. You have 5 seconds to read the chart and guess where price is going. Ready? Let's go. Drop your answer in the comments. So, I use alligator, and alligator lines are clearly below price, spread apart and pointing up, strong bullish momentum. Then I build a level and a trend line and see that price touches resistance, pulls back gently to the trend line, but doesn't break it. That means the structure holds. Trade goes up and closes in profit. Now let's combine Alligator with RSI. Alligator already showed a bullish cross. Green line climbs above the others. All three lines stretch upward. I open RSI. If it's above 50, it's an uptrend. Below 50 is downtrend. But be careful. If the line is near 80 or 20, trend might be overbought or oversold and possibly reverse. Right now, RSI is above 50, confirming bullish momentum, matching the Alligator. I mark my levels and trend line. Price tested resistance 3 times. It's a strong zone. Instead of breaking higher, price pulls back to tested support right away. Another strong zone, it rebounds strongly. So I enter a call. Since volatility is still low, I give it extra time and go for 18 minutes. The Alligator doesn't give you a precise entry signal. It draws along with price, but it's a powerful filter to avoid random trades. It helps you skip weak moves and only trade when the market actually starts trending. That means fewer trades, but more consistent wins. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Other real-time setups, market breakdowns, and trades, check in my Telegram. Links in the description. Stay safe and be in touch.